Now children, take out page number 16 of your English reader. Let's do exercise C4. Work in groups of 4. Children, as you all know that in the present time we cannot work in groups. So we will do this exercise individually. The sentences below tell you the sequence of the events in the story. Children, sequence means a set of related events that follow each other in a particular order. However, they are in jumbled order. Jumbled order means they are not in a proper sequence. Number them correctly. 1 is done for you. So children, first we will read all the sentences, and after reading we will rearrange them in a proper sequence as they are in the story. So let's start. In the beginning, Somu regularly gave seeds and fresh water to Molly. Molly's friends were jealous of her. Somu's mother fed the little bird. After some time, Somu lost interest in Molly. Somu felt sorry and thereafter started taking good care of Molly. Somu's mother saw that Molly was lying half dead in the cage. Molly could not sing because she was thirsty. Somu's mother scolded her son. Children, scolded means to speak in an angry way. Next is Somu's father gave him a canary on his birthday. Last is the little bird cried and her friends felt sorry for her. Now children, the sentence which comes first in the story is Somu's father gave him a canary on his birthday. So to this sentence they have given number 1. Now the sentence which comes second in the story is in the beginning Somu regularly gave seeds and fresh water to Molly. Third, Molly's friends were jealous of her. And the sentence which comes on the fourth number is after some time Somu lost interest in Molly. And fifth is Molly could not sing because she was thirsty. The sentence which comes on sixth number in the story is the little bird cried and her friends felt sorry for her. And seventh is Somu's mother saw that Molly was lying half dead in the cage. The sentence which comes on eighth number is Somu's mother fed the little bird. And on number 9, Somu's mother scolded her son. And the sentence which comes on 10th number in the story is Somu felt sorry and thereafter started taking good care of Molly. So children, this way you will complete exercise C4 in the book only.